So I'm going to show you how to make a bird feeder, which could also hold garlic in the kitchen. And you start by making a binding, 12 pieces bound together, and then a spiral weave all the way up to the top, and these pieces are bent over to make the border. So with a workshop you will have willow provided and tools, and the willow is soaked for suitable lengths in preparation. To make the bird feeder, you select 12 pieces. They need to be the same length, so you put all the tips together and that's about right, and you make sure there's the same thickness, and you work down, and look, there's one that's shorter, so I won't use that. I want to use the longest length, so I will have to select some different ones to make this. So when I teach a workshop, I will show you exactly how to do each stage very carefully, and there'll be plenty of time to redo it. I am now binding these 12 pieces, all the same length, same thickness, because that's important. Selecting and grading takes time and some experience, which is why the materials are prepared for you. I look forward to meeting you at a workshop soon and sharing some techniques, showing shapes and sizes, colours and textures of willow. Thanks. And just finishing this tie, as you can see. The colour of the willow is just lovely.